But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Today in this video, we will talk about Ultenic robot vacuum and mop. Product discount link is mentioned in the description. Get your discount.
Hey guys, you need to check out this cool new robot vacuum I just got from Ultenic. Let's take a closer look at it. This is the Ultenic robot vacuum cleaner. Yeah, let's take a look inside. Big sheet of instructions here. The quick start guide, precautions, and this is the code to download the app. Here's a user manual. There's the device itself. This is the extra mop pad. Brush. Here's the one. This is what you place underneath the robot. It's the mop pad. Extra brush. Plug in to charge the device. Here's some adhesive tape. This is the remote with some extra batteries. Extra filter. And this is the base station that the robot sits on. So yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. With the upgraded sonic mapping technology, the D6s robot vacuum cleans and mops your floors 3,000 times per minute to help tackle all the dirt and dust and leave your floors looking shiny and polished. The D6s robot vacuum and mop combo is always ready to clean no matter the mess. With its powerful 3000 PA suction, it allows the robot vacuum to easily pick up large particles of debris from all types of floors. When carpet is detected, it lifts up the mop pads and also boosts the suction power to the maximum for deeper carpet cleaning. The D6s robot vacuum cleaner navigates in an orderly zigzag path, and with its gyroscopic navigation, it will return to the base station for charging automatically after it's done cleaning, so it is always ready for the next session. The device also comes with a remote control, which can be easily used by anybody to control the vacuum. But the D6s is also compatible with the Ultenic app, so you can easily control it via the app or even go hands-free and use the Alexa and Google Home to monitor the status from anywhere. On the Ultenic app, you can schedule cleaning times, cleaning modes,
start auto cleaning, start edge cleaning, start spot cleaning,
and different suction levels to meet all of your cleaning needs. You can schedule the cleaning time in the morning, and you will find your entire home clean when you return in the evening. So yeah, if you were looking for an easier way to clean your house, then definitely check out the Ultenic Robot Vacuum and Mop combo. See ya.